Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again once more. And a big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, is it? Alright, so the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media that gave me the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica are asking for the public's help to identify a man who is seen in a video walking with something that seems to be a gun. The Jamaica Constabulary Force also posted a screenshot of the video on social media, or to make it be more specific, the Jamaica Constabulary Force posted a screenshot of the video that shows the person's face. You see me? Now, for you to get a better understanding about the video, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
Boom, boom, clad, Fana! Fana, man, police killer, Fana, Jesus Christ, Fana! Fana, them a big on the airbus, Fana, Jesus Christ, God! Fana, man, police!
No painting, no?
Fana, man, I kill you! Jesus Christ, God!
Well, my people, the video getting a lot of criticism on social media, you know? Yeah, some comments gave me to understand that some persons are wondering if that man have mental health issue. Even me myself wonder if the man have mental health issue. Some persons are wonder if the thing that seems to be a gun, if it is real or if it is not real. And all different type of comments had been made on social media about the video. So the police within the country of Jamaica seek the public help to find this man of yours and subscribers. So I say, but Jano, I wonder quite a number of things when I see the video. I wonder if this man is okay or so forth. So I say, because Jano, the way I see the man walk in the video with what seems to be a gun and all them things. And it's not like me is a person who know about guns like that. That's me can look on a gun and say, yo, that's a gun. No. And the amount of replica I see them a build nowadays where, you know, are just some little beating or some fake things. Some of them are just for like props for movies and all them things as gone. You see it? All them things that I think about. You see it? And then the things that we hear where at least one person set in the background of the video to the person. All them things that I wonder, you know. I have to wonder if that person there, you know, the person who walk with the thing, if that person they alright mentally and all them things. So I say, yeah, I not go just jump to conclusion and say, oh, something wrong with it. No. I wonder. You see it? Anyways, I left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, I'm name Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?